In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook lead ads with GoHighLevel. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process from creating your Facebook lead ad to setting up automations that ensure every lead is properly nurtured. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a seamless integration that allows you to manage and follow up with leads efficiently. First, let's start by creating your Facebook lead ad. You'll want to navigate over to Meta Ads Manager, which you can access by heading to ads.facebook.com. Once there, click the Create button to begin the process. Your next step is crucial. Choose lead generation as your campaign objective. This will tailor the campaign towards capturing potential leads effectively. With the objective set, it's time to determine your audience, who exactly you want this campaign to reach, followed by setting the budget and selecting where exactly these ads will be displayed, also known as placements. Now, under the ad format section, you'll choose your creative, which could be an image, a video, or even a carousel, depending on what best suits your campaign goals. Once you've reached the lead form section, click Create Form. It's in this part that you'll add all the necessary form fields. Typically, this includes things like the user's name and email and phone number. Remember to add a privacy policy URL here. It's required by Meta to ensure compliance. Once everything looks good, hit Finish and then publish your ad. With your Facebook lead ad up and running, you're ready for the next phase. Now let's move on to connecting Facebook to GoHighLevel. Open GoHighLevel and in the bottom left corner, click on Settings. Navigate through the left side menu and scroll down until you see Integrations. Here you're looking for the Facebook Instagram card. Click Connect. A pop-up will appear asking you to log into your Facebook account and to grant the necessary permissions. It's crucial to remember to do this in the sub-account, not at the agency level, to ensure leads are directed accurately to the correct client or pipeline. Once connected, select the specific Facebook business page your ad is running from and the lead form you set up earlier. Decide whether you'd like to pull in past leads or only new ones going forward. Don't forget to click Save to lock in these selections. Next, it's essential to map your form fields to GoHighLevel. Revisit the integrations page and under Facebook lead ads, select your connected form. You'll need to match each Facebook form field with its corresponding field in GoHighLevel. If a needed field doesn't already exist in GoHighLevel, you may need to create it first under custom fields. Again, ensure to save your mappings before moving on. Lastly, it's time to set up an automation workflow. Navigate to Automation, then Workflows, and click Create Workflow. From there, add a trigger by selecting Facebook lead form submitted. Choose the specific Facebook page and lead form associated with it. This trigger can kickstart a series of actions like sending an SMS for immediate follow-up, an email for a warm welcome, or adding the lead to your pipeline as a new opportunity. You can also assign the lead to a user or add a tag for clearer organization. Once satisfied with your setup, hit Save and Publish to activate your workflow. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up Facebook lead ads with GoHighLevel, ensuring that every lead is captured and ready for follow-up automatically. Thanks for watching and happy campaigning.